It was worth it, every minute of it. Right, guys?
After a long, hard 6-year court battle, the men at the center of a reverse discrimination suit that made its way to the nation's highest court feel they finally have vindication.
We all fought this fight together, and that's the beautiful thing about America, is that if you want democracy, you have to participate in it.
The truest vindication is the day that we're all going to get pinned our badges on, captain and lieutenant badges that we were entitled to.
The Supreme Court ruled in favor of a group of firefighters who filed suit after being denied promotions because not enough black firefighters passed the promotional exam. The city of New Haven claimed if they let the results stand, it would have left them open for lawsuits. The Supreme Court said that's not a valid reason.
Court said that the fear of a lawsuit in and of itself was not a good enough reason to justify throwing out promotion exams in which white firefighters and some Hispanic firefighters did well, but African American firefighters and most Hispanic firefighters did not do well enough to be promoted.
But Mayor John DeStefano respectfully disagrees. Although the city fully plans to act in accordance with the court's ruling, DeStefano says the ruling will ultimately hurt minorities.
I think it's a continual erosion of civil rights law by the Supreme Court.
The ruling wasn't just disheartening for the city of New Haven, but also for all those minority firefighters who fought from the beginning, believing that this test was indeed flawed.
The struggle continues. It's far from over. It's just there's a lot more to this, just based on the language in the court's decision, that we can go further. It doesn't end today.
As for these men, the next step is likely to be damages, or nearly 6 years of back pay they've missed out since the test results were first thrown out. In New Haven, Connecticut, Bonnie GHOSH, The Associated Press.